Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Alishba, beta, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Very nice to see you. Beta, are you watching the?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Alishba, are you watching the recordings?
Yes, sir, daily.
Very good, very nice. I count the number of views. So one view I take mark on your
Sir.
that Alishba has watched the video, maths video. So I take mark on it. नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ पायल बेटा परेशान मत हो मजाक कर रहा हूँ ये क्या लगाया हो पायल हेडफोन है ये क्या है
Kind of a trap you can think.
सॉरी अच्छा वो ये ईयर को हॉट करने वाले हैं ये अच्छा अच्छा बिकॉज ऑफ द कोल्ड मतलब में कोई हेडफोन वगैरह ओके स्टार्ट करें ओके सो have we completed the exercise अच्छा मैंने मोड की डेफिनेशन भी आई
Yes, sir. Sir, you have we. Yes, sir.
I have made you write down the
Sir, mood
definition
today. Yes, sir. We have written.
very good
Yes, sir, we have written the definition.
okay. very nice अलिशबा बेटा तुम्हारी हाइट बढ़ गई है या नहीं बढ़ी है लॉकडाउन में या वैसे ही है छोटी सी अच्छा वीडियो ऑन है अलिशबा की देखूं जरा हाइट बढ़ गई नहीं बढ़ गई
सर मैं बैठी हुई हूँ
अच्छा फिर खड़े होके दिखा दो एक बार पता चल जाएगा नहीं बढ़ गई है लग रहा है थोड़ी सी बढ़ गई है 1.5
सर मम्मी के बराबर हो गई।
हाँ जी सॉरी
मम्मी के बराबर हो गई हूँ
मम्मी की अरे वाह यार मम्मी के बराबर हाइट हो गई है चलो पापा से भी बड़ी चली जाए तुम्हारी हाइट भगवान करे 1.5 सेंटीमीटर इंक्रीज हो गई आई थिंक
सर ये तो बहुत ही ज्यादा कम हो गई
अच्छा एंजल के बालों की हाइट बढ़ गई है 3 सेंटीमीटर
हाँ
ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट Chaitanya Agarwal is there in the meeting or not? No. Not there. आदित्य कुमार बेटा आदित्य कुमार
Yes, sir.
हाइट की बात मुझे करनी थी तुम्हारी हाइट कुछ कम हुई या नहीं हुई कुछ करो यार हाइट कम करने के लिए
Sir, what?
तुमने अपनी हाइट कम करी या नहीं करी
No, sir.
नहीं करी और ज्यादा बढ़ गई है इस क्लास में जब थे तभी तुम्हारी हाइट मेरे से ज्यादा थी am I right or not अब तो और ज्यादा बढ़ गई होगी व्हाट इज योर हाइट आदित्य
Sir, that how I can. Sir, this I can tell I am equal to my father.
अच्छा so is it मतलब I think it should be near 5'9" or 5'10" maybe and you are in
Sir,
only
that
in
I
class
don't.
you are only in class 7th now
Sir, in school, sir, Akshay sir, height नापते थे अब नहीं हुआ
हाँ
इस साल.
so
Sir, वैसे वो
do
जब
you
भी
know it in
competition होते थे.
centimeters or not you can see Alind is sitting near the
हाँ?
science park Alind is there in the school and he is sitting near the science park.
सर मैंने
No, sir,
हाइट
he
भी
is
नपा
sitting
ली
on
अपनी
road.
साइंस पार्क में। सर हाइट भी नपा ली।
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छे बेटा। तो तुम्हारी हाइट बढ़ गई आलिंद?
सर 5'6" हो गई है।
5'6" यार, बस इतनी रखना, इससे ज्यादा मत बढ़ाना, नहीं तो मेरे से आगे निकल जाओगे।
अच्छा सर, ट्राई करूंगा।
कोशिश करना, और ज्यादा अगर बढ़ रही हो तो सर के ऊपर 20 kg वेट अपने ऊपर रख के चलना, ताकि बढ़े ना हर समय। तो एक्सरसाइज 21C पे आ जाते हैं। 21C एक्सरसाइज में बेटा एंजल भैया का बर्थडे बॉक्सिंग डे पर होता है 26।
बैठा हुआ है।
बैठा हुआ है, अच्छा, उसको अभी से एडवांस में विश करना मेरी तरफ से। और बॉक्सिंग डे पे भैया को एडवाइस करना अपनी सिस्टर से बॉक्सिंग ना करे। Okay, so we have already understood what is mode. What is he saying, Angel? Is he saying thank you, or is he saying no sir, I will do my job, boxing? चलिए, कोई बात नहीं, एंजल को मेरी आवाज नहीं आई शायद। Okay, so mode is what? The observation that comes highest number of times. That means the observation which has the highest frequency is known as mode. कोई भी आपको डेटा अगर दे दे, easy words में सुनिए क्या है। If I give you any data, any number of observations, if I give you, and there you see you have to find the observation which is coming most number of times. वो वाला ऑब्जर्वेशन जो सबसे ज्यादा टाइम्स आपको दिख रहा है, काउंट करके निकालेंगे। The observation which is coming most number of times, that means इसको क्या बोलते हैं? In other words, ये टेक्निकल वर्ड्स में, स्टैट्स की लैंग्वेज में हम इसको क्या बोलेंगे? The observation which has the highest frequency, ऐसे बोलते हैं।
Mood.
Yes, so the observation which has the highest frequency, that is mode. वही आपको फाइंड करना है कि जिसकी frequency highest है। So for example, the first part of question 1, all these questions, first of all these questions are to be done in the book. You don't have to use your notebook for this. So first part of question 1, the observation which is coming highest number of times is 8. 8 को count करिए, it is coming 4 times in the first part. Am I right or not? कितनी बार आ रहा है 8 को, देखिए जरा।
4 times.
4 times. So 8 has, we can say that 8 has the highest frequency. Therefore 8 is mode. Mode क्या है आपका यहाँ पर? 8. Okay.
8.
8 is the answer.
सर दूसरे वाले में 27.
सर दूसरे वाले में 27.
Yes sir, दूसरे वाले में 27.
Second part, the
Sir,
answer.
it is coming 5 times.
Sir, 27. It's coming 5 times.
बेटा थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश बोल लिया करो, ताकि अगर रिकॉर्डिंग देखेंगे लोग क्या कहेंगे, बताइए बच्चे इतनी हिंदी में बात कर रहे हैं। SR इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के बच्चे, इंटरनेशनल स्कूल।
सर उसके बाद वाले का आंसर 32.
मेरे को कभी
Yes sir, the next is 32.
Second one is 32.
आज तक मुझे
Sir, it is coming 4 times.
And sir, the third is 12. Means
अरे
the
रुक जाओ,
525.
आगे गाड़ी भगाए जा रहे हो, रुक जाओ भैया, थोड़ा आराम से चलो। मैं कह रहा हूँ आज तक मुझे कभी हिंदी में बात करते हुए देखा है? हिंदी में बोल रहे हो, टॉक इन इंग्लिश।
Sir, right now you were
Sir, right
Yes,
now
sir.
only.
Second part of
Yes, sir.
question
Right now you were speaking.
Hello, I'm not able to hear anything. Second part of question number 1. The
Sir, the
27.
Now
answer
you
is
can hear.
27.
observation,
27. Sir,
The
it's coming
observation
5
that
The
times.
answer is 27. It is coming 5 times.
27,
it is coming 5 times.
Yes, so answer is 27. Mode is equal to 27. Second question number 2. What is the mode? Tell me the answer.
32.
32.
It is coming.
32.
Four
It's
times.
coming
More.
4 times.
32 years. It's coming 4 times.
32 is the answer. Okay. Now let us come to question number 3. अभी आप सुनिए क्या करना है question 3 में. All of you carefully. Everyone, please. This is important. Question number 3. Important क्या है यहाँ पर? You can see a table in question number 3. Everyone, and after the table, there is it is written that find the median and mean. इसको तो कट कर लीजिए पहली बार. You only have to find mode. Median and mean आपको नहीं निकालना है यहाँ पर. So because we have already done a lot of questions on median and mean, we will not do the same thing again. So please cut it out in all the 3 remaining questions. Question 3, question 4, question 5. तीनों में से ये चीज कट कर लीजिए. You don't have to find median and mean. कट कर लीजिए. You only have to find the mode, and that too without using empirical formula. Empirical formula is not in your syllabus because it is in class 9. Sorry, class 10.
So, sir, we
Even-
just cut everything and find the mode.
Just find the mode. Cut everything from this question and just find the
The
mode.
525. So third is 525.
Yes, sir. Third one 525. As
And
it
some
come in
fourth is
12.
22.
Hey, listen, everyone. Let me explain to others also. So here, the observation that has the highest frequency. First of all, what is the highest frequency? The highest frequency is 12. And the observation which has the highest frequency is 525. 525 की frequency 12 है. So your answer is not 12. Answer is 525. Mode is equal to 525. Okay. So write down the answer. Question 3 in the book only. Write down the answer. And question 4, the answer is, now tell me the answer. Question 4.
Sir,
22.
22.
22 because
22.
Then after that 48.
Yes, after that 48.
In question 4,
sir, after that
Completed
48.
the chapter.
It's coming 4 times.
in question 4, the highest frequency is 22. Sorry, the observation that has the highest frequency is 22. Therefore, in question 4, mode is 22, and similarly in question number 5, the mode is 48 because it has the highest frequency. Okay. Chapter
So
finish.
now which chapter we are going to start?
Now we will start a new chapter.
So can I ask a question?
Yes, please.
Like not
Hanji, please.
my brother is asking like why is the school calling 9th and 11th students to the school like?
Why
What?
are they
Why?
calling 9th and 11th students?
Yes.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
I'm not, maybe because of the studies.
Sir, boards are coming, sir.
Sir,
Pre-board.
we are doing also studies on online.
So क्यों?
So what do you want? Do you want to study online or offline?
Sir, we don't know.
Angel.
Like our
your
mother
brother
will
wants to
not
study online
let us go to
or you
school.
want to study offline? Angel.
सर चुप रहो. सर ये पूछ रहा था कि क्यों बुला क्यों रहे हैं?
अच्छा. चलो, I will find out the answer and then I will contact. I will tell you if I find the answer.
Thank you.
Okay.
Sir,
And-
after this chapter, which chapter we are going to do?
That means-
Mensuration.
That means Ayush is not happy with offline classes. We don't want to go to the school.
Sir, which chapter are we going to start?
Acha. We are going to
Sir,
start
mensuration.
ratio and proportion, not mensuration. Ratio
sir.
and proportion, which we have already done in class 6 also. Almost everything is same. There is nothing new in the chapter. Still, we will do it. This is on page number. Can you tell me the page number?
Chapter number 8.
A into
Sir,
B is equal to B into C है.
Chapter
Sir,
1.
Okay, I got
So
it.
119.
119 is the page number. Okay, so
So page number is 119.
yes, page number 119, 119. Okay.
Okay, sir.
The ratios के बारे में you already know, very similar to fractions. Okay. So shall we start straight away? Start with the exercise, or do you want me to introduce something about ratios?
Exercise.
Sir, no
Sir,
introduction.
exercise.
Sir, no
Sir,
introduction.
exercise. Sir, exercise.
Okay.
Sir, mode.
Okay. So let us start with the exercise 8A. 8A exercise 8A, and there is one more exercise after this. Let me see how many exercises are there. Proportion is also there. Proportion has one exercise. 8B, exercise 8B. Only two exercises. I hope we can. There are a lot of
Three.
questions in the first exercise. Third one is MCQs.
Sir,
And
but have you completed 21C?
yes, और क्या? अरे मिश्रा जी कहाँ थे तुम?
Sir, I joined some a little bit late.
You were having your breakfast. अब मुझे कुछ ऐसा नाम मत बताना कि मुझे भूल नहीं कि मैंने ये खाया वो खाया.
No, sir, there
Don't
were
tell
only sandwiches.
अरे तू बता क्यों ना सैंडविच खाए? मैंने नहीं पूछा है. ठीक है. Okay.
Sir, did you had breakfast?
Not yet.
Okay, sir, that's it.
The whole morning I always remain busy in my exercises and everything.
The day after tomorrow will be a
Sir,
holiday.
you are a hard-working teacher.
अरे ये देखो ये लेके बैठता है ये लड़का.
Sir,
आज
Amul
कौन सा
butter.
और लेके बैठा है? आज लक्ष्य कुमार आज कौन सा लेके बैठा हुआ है?
सर अमूल बटर असली बटर.
सर उसने एक फैक्ट्री खोल रखी है
सर
अमूल
10
बटर की.
kg वाला ही लिया है यार सर.
10 kg only. मैं
सर
एक्सरसाइज
10 के
10 किलो मखनी मुझे खिला देता हूँ.
सर सारा आज लगा देगा.
चलिए एक्सरसाइज 8A शुरू करते हैं. So in this, express each of the following ratio in simplest form. Do you all know how to convert a ratio in simplest form? Very
Yes,
simple.
sir.
Sir,
There is a very simple method of converting a ratio in simplest form. First, you convert the ratio in a fraction, and then you convert it in simplest form, and then again you convert it in a ratio. तो मैंने इसको fraction में change कर लिया. Now you convert it in simplest form. कैसे करते हैं? You can divide this number by 8. You will get 3/5. Okay. Divide the numerator and denominator both by 8. 3/5. That means the ratio is 3:5. Got it or not, everyone? Without to बताइए.
yes,
You're not going
sir.
to waste much time in it. Let's do the third part. I hope second part is very easy, so you all can do the second one on your own. Third one is also very easy, but still we are going to do it. 6 whole 2/3. 6 whole 2/3 ratio 7 whole 1/2. So 6
In
whole
this we will
2/3.
do,
First
sir.
you convert this.
Sir,
in
20/3 into 6 and 15/2 into 6.
20/3 ratio 15/2. So first you convert it in a fraction like this. 20/3 divided by 15/2. इसको simplest form में change कर लेंगे. How do you do it? So मैं यहाँ पे कर रहा हूँ अभी because there is no space left. 20/3 multiplied by 2/15. 2/15. 5 से कट कर लीजिए इसको. This becomes 3 and 4. So 8/9. That means the ratio is 8:9. Got it or not? Anyone? Sorry, everyone. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
हाँ जी, doubt है?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, done.
Done. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Sir, can we start fifth one?
Just a minute. Just a minute. There is one more way of doing it. Let me tell you the second method also.
So we find the LCM and we put it into multiply.
Yes.
2 by 20
The
upon 3
fourth-
into
The
6.
fourth part of the question, let me tell you with another method. That is also very important to learn. That is why I am telling you. I don't want you to miss out on anything. The second method that I am telling you, that is also very important. So fourth one, it is 1 upon 6 ratio 1 upon 9. You have to convert the ratio in simplest form. So first of all, you see the denominators in both the numbers. What is the denominator here? It is 6. Here it is 9. The LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. The LCM is 18. So what you do when there is a ratio, if you multiply or divide the first number and the second number both by the same number, the ratio remains the same. यानी कि देखिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, 1/6 को भी मैंने 18 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया and 1/9 को भी मैंने 18 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. This doesn't make any difference in the ratio. If you are multiplying the first number and the second number by same number, that means the ratio will remain the same. Are you getting my point or not, everyone?
सर हम कोई भी नंबर से कर सकते हैं ऐसे सर एलसीएम से करना है?
Yes, sir. Answer will be 3 ratio 2.
If you multiply the first number and second number by any number, the ratio will remain the same. लेकिन हम why we are multiplying
Yes,
by
sir.
only the LCM? हम LCM से ही क्यों कर रहे हैं? Because it will be easier to simplify if you are multiplying by the LCM. Simplify करना easy हो जाएगा. That is why we are multiplying both the numbers by the LCM. Now 18 divided by 6 is 3 and 18 divided by 9 is 2. So that is the
3
ratio
ratio
becomes
2.
3 to 2. Clear or not? The method is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
सर ये तो बहुत
यस सर
इजी है.
क्लियर.
Yes, sir. Clear.
इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूँ. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. आज बातें थोड़ी ज्यादा हो गई. बात करना भी जरूरी है बच्चों को, नहीं तो बच्चे बेचारे बोर हो जाते हैं. Now there are 3 ratios.
Sir, we have to write the second method also in our copy.
I have done the fourth part with second method only. So it is important to learn the second method because in the fifth part, if you see, you will not be able to do it without the second method. You will not be able to do it without second method. That means it is important to learn the second method. Okay. Chaitanya beta, how are you? Are you there in the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing your work? I have heard that your work is incomplete. Still your work is incomplete. Beta, we met on the PTM day. I told you to complete
Yes,
your
sir.
work.
Some is left.
Okay, so I want you to send me the PDF of 3 chapters.
Yes, sir.
You send me the PDF of last 3 chapters on till Monday. It is Wednesday. Till Monday you will send me PDFs of 3 chapters. Okay, on WhatsApp. I want to see. Got it?
Sir, I am completing.
I want to see the PDFs of last 3 chapters. Only these. Okay. Fifth part of the question. 4:5. I want to see them on Monday. Sorry, Monday. 4:5:9 is 9/2. So this is a ratio. Here you can see there are 3 numbers in the ratio. First, second, third. 3 numbers are there. Now what do? You see that only the third number has a denominator which is 2. So if you see that the first one in first and second, the denominator is 1. Now what is the LCM of 1, 1 and 2? What is the LCM? Here the denominator is 1, here it is 1 and here it is 2. The LCM is 2. So we will multiply all the 3 numbers by 2. 4 into 2 ratio, 5 into 2 ratio, 9/2 into 2. तीनों numbers को मैंने 2 से multiply कर दिया. कितना easy काम है. 8:10:9 आंसर. प्रॉब्लम हो तो बताइए।
No,
सर क्या हम सर ये 8:10 को सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं?
नहीं बेटा, नहीं कर सकते। क्यों? अगर जब तक हमारे तीनों नंबर्स किसी कॉमन नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकते, हम दो नंबर्स को सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते। गुड क्वेश्चन, बट हियर इज योर आंसर। यू कैन नॉट सिंप्लीफाई एनी टू। इफ देयर आर थ्री नंबर्स, यू कैन नॉट सिंप्लीफाई एनी टू ऑफ देम। दो को नहीं कर सकते, अगर करेंगे तो तीनों को करेंगे। Got it?
ओके सर।
आगे बढ़ते हैं। Sixth one, I am giving you the hint how to do the sixth one. You will try it in homework. You first convert these two decimal numbers in fractions. Decimal numbers जो दे रखे हैं इनको fraction में change करिए, then you do it. Okay. Sixth one, homework.
Sir, then fraction will be 25 upon 10 ratio 65 upon 10 ratio 8 upon
अरे
1.
नहीं बेटा, मतलब सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में करेंगे पहले फ्रैक्शंस को। फर्स्ट वाला बन जाएगा 5/2, सेकंड वाला बन जाएगा 13/2, and third one
Okay,
will remain
sir.
8 only, and then you convert the ratio. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
बेटा कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ समझ में आ जाता है थोड़ा बहुत, मतलब
सर आप बहुत
सर
अच्छे से
थोड़ा बहुत
पढ़ाते हैं
नहीं,
सर, सब
बिल्कुल
समझ में
आता
आ
है।
जाता है।
ये तो ये देखिए, ये लक्ष्य नहीं बोला होगा, ये लक्ष्य पक्का कह रहा हूँ मैं, लक्ष्य नहीं बोला।
यस
Yes,
सर, लक्ष्य
sir.
नहीं बोला।
देखा, लक्ष्य तो भाई मतलब ये खाली मेरे पीरियड में लेके बैठता है या सारे पीरियड में लेके बैठता है?
Sir, only
सर
yours.
सर
सर
सारों
आपके
में,
पीरियड में ही बैठता है।
सर सारों में बैठता है। सर कहता है सर वी ऑल अंडरस्टूड टोटली, सर टोटली ऐड कर देता है हर पीरियड में।
टोटली अंडरस्टूड है।
यस सर।
कोई बात नहीं, स्वीट सा बच्चा है, प्यारा सा छोटा सा। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, फर्स्ट पार्ट। 17 पैसे रेशियो 3 रुपीज, सॉरी 75 पैसे, 75 पैसे रेशियो 3 रुपीज। मतलब ऐसे क्वेश्चन देते हैं जैसे हम तो डर जाएंगे देख कर। 17 पैसे 3 रुपीज, दैट मींस 17
सर 3 रुपीज इक्वल टू 300 पैसे।
रेशियो 300 पैसे। नाउ यू कन्वर्ट, सॉरी यहाँ पे भी मैंने रेशियो बना।
Excuse me, sir.
यस बेटा।
Sir, in the first question after the fifth one, we have done the sixth also. Sir, 2.5, 6.5 and eighth one.
दिस इज होमवर्क 2.5 वाला।
I
Okay,
gave
sir.
you the sixth one in homework. Okay. First you convert the decimal numbers in fraction and then do the question. I told you how to do it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So when you convert this, simplify this, you will get. इसको पहले fraction में change कर लेंगे. I am directly writing the answer. Answer is 1:4. Okay. First you convert this in fraction and then
यस सर।
simplify. You will get 1:4 the answer. Okay. Let's do the third one. We will not waste time in doing all the parts, very similar parts. So 1 hour 5 minutes. 1 hour 5 minutes. Ratio 45 minutes. 1 hour 5 minutes. That means 65.
सर आपने सिर्फ 4 मिनट्स लिखा
Sir,
है।
you have written only 4, not 45.
The 45. Sorry. But 45 minutes. So 65 minute ratio 45 minutes. You get 13 ratio 9. Okay. After this, do the sixth part and tell me the answer. Sixth part करके आंसर बताइए.
Sir, fifth part.
Sixth part, last part.
Sir, 4:3.
4:3.
To 3.
Sir, 4:3.
Very good.
We will divide it by 250.
Sir, 4:3.
1000 upon
Sir,
7.
4:3.
4:3.
Very good. 4:3 is the answer.
4:3.
Sir, shall we do question number 3?
Yeah, let's start with question 3. How much time is left? This period will get over at 11:20. What?
Yes, sir. 11:20. 6 minutes.
Yes, sir. 6 minutes are left.
Sir, after this period, after like the geography period, you have another period.
Yes,
Yes,
the
sir,
next
2
one
periods are
also.
today.
Sorry, next one also I
Yes.
have in your class. It is an
Sir, is it
arrangement.
an arrangement or
That means you have 3 period today.
3
Sir,
consecutive
that's
periods.
a cool thing.
First,
सर मतलब सर दिन के आधे पीरियड तो
Sir,
आप ही ले
today
लेते
you
हैं
are
सर.
having 3 periods of maths.
yes, yes. This one, the next one is an arrangement, and fifth one I have in your class. So that is why third, fourth, fifth period. Payal को इतना पूरा
Sir,
नहीं-
hat trick.
Sir, that is the amazing thing.
Sir, I think we can complete ratio proportion today. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, आज तो hat trick हो गया.
Yes, sir.
पायल कह रही है इससे अच्छा तो मुझे 1 महीने तक पिज्जा खाने को ना मिले, वो भी चलेगा, लेकिन 3 पीरियड मैथ्स की मैं कैसे झेलूंगी?
सर मैं तो सर बड़े आराम से ले लूंगा सर.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
सर इतने तो लक्ष्य का बटर भी खत्म हो जाएगा, उसे फैक्ट्री खोलनी पड़ेगी.
नहीं सर बहुत सारा सर फ्रिज में रखा है सर, बहुत सारा सर.
So third question. Chaitanya beta, do you remember what I told you? Can you repeat?
Yes, sir.
what I told you? Yes, tell me.
That I have to complete last 3 chapters.
हाँ जी. Last 3 मतलब जो last मैंने 3 चैप्टर्स कराए हैं. कौन से 3 चैप्टर्स मैंने कराए थे?
The properties of triangles, super
Very good.
interest,
हाँ.
or mode median.
Yes.
नो सर, मोड मीडियन, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड परसेंटेज.
Yes. Percentage नहीं. Percentage, simple interest,
सिंपल
and
इंटरेस्ट सर, मोड
and
मीडियन.
median mode. ठीक है, ये वाले 3
Statics.
chapters आए हैं, तो these 3 chapters you have to do. Okay. And you will send your PDF till Monday. All the 3 chapters.
Okay, sir.
Very good. If A ratio B,
Sir, what about the rest? 4th, 5th and 6th? You don't have to do that.
4, 5, 6, कौन सा बेटा 6th part मैंने आपको बोला अभी करने को.
Sir, of the second.
हाँ, second one
Sixth part
I
हो गया,
told you
sir.
the 6th part. Answer of the 6th part is 4:3. I
Sixth part.
gave you to do it.
यस सर, 4:3.
हाँ जी. So in question number 3, A ratio B is 7:5 and B ratio C, what else is given? And B ratio C is equal to 9:14. Okay. Now you have to find A ratio C. Find A is to C. This you have to find out. Okay. You cannot simply directly write it as 7:14. ये मत लिख देना. पता लगा आपने देखा A यहाँ से 7 है, C यहाँ से 14 है, तो 7:14 लिख दिया.
Sir, there is a method to do it.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
you have to do in this case?
सर, A into B into B into C.
Into B upon C.
I will tell you a method which is
Sir, use proportion. Sir, use proportion.
I will tell you a method which is universal. Okay. So that method is You see the B is common in both the numbers. What is common? B.
सर A upon B into B upon C.
अरे सुनो तो मेरी बात बेटा, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. That is also easy. So first one you convert it into a equation with fraction. Okay, A upon B into is equal to A upon B is equal to 7 upon 5. Getting my point? And the second one, the meaning of the second one is B upon C is equal to 9 upon 14. Okay, so this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. If you multiply equation 1 by equation 2, you will multiply the LHS of both the equations. A upon B multiplied by B upon C. जब भी दो equations को multiply करते हैं, how do we multiply? We multiply the LHS of both the equations and then you multiply the RHS of both the equations. 7 upon 5 multiplied by 9 upon 14. Okay. So this is how you do it. Here in the LHS you can cancel B and B, and in the RHS also you simplify 1, 2. So what do you get? A upon C equals to, in the LHS, what is remaining?
9:10.
Equals to 9 upon 10. So answer कितना आ गया आपका? A ratio C is equal to 9:10. Clear or not, everyone?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Note down. Similarly, do the fourth part also. Fourth question, sorry, question number 4. Time to